Hi everyone, it's time for Abbie Wabbit.
What are you doing today, Abby?
We're gonna have slime Play-Doh.
Ooh, it's Play-Doh slime.
Play-Doh slime.
She's been really excited to try it out because we know how much she loves slime. Abby's gonna bust it open and see what's inside and slime it up. So Abby opened everything up. What was inside, girl?
2 slimes. One of my favorite colors, pink, of course. And my mommy's favorite color, glow in the dark.
You came with 2 bags of glitter. So where's the glitter?
This is ocean blue glitter.
Okay.
And this is sprinkle. And this is just a mystery box.
Open it up. Let's see what's inside. So we have little sunglasses and little ice creams.
Yummy.
And then we have 2 glitter packets.
Wish they were edible.
And 2 Play-Doh fluff slimes. So which glitter are you gonna use for the pink Play-Doh?
I'm gonna use this and the ice cream cones.
So for the pink Play-Doh, it's gonna be blue glitter and orange ice cream. Ocean blue glitter and ice cream cones. Perfect. So let's put these ones on the side. Put the other ones on the side.
Until we need them.
We're gonna play with the pink ones first.
Go, shoot.
Okay. So open it up. Let's see what it looks like. So this is the Play-Doh fluff slime. I don't know why they call it slime because it's just like a fluff pillow.
Oh, it's because it stretches.
Maybe.
Oh.
It's like a fluffy, it's like a fluffy pillow. So now Abby has
the green.
the yellow one.
It's green.
It's yellow.
You can literally tell by the color.
I'm pretty sure that's yellow. Show it to the camera.
Is it green or yellow?
I say green. I say yellow.
You just said green.
It's yellow.
No.
Yep.
Oh, it stretches.
It looks yellow like the cover.
No.
So for the grand finale, Abby's gonna mix the pink and the yellow, see how well they mix together. So what did you think of this Play-Doh fluff slime?
I loved it. Except it wasn't really slime.
It's not really slime and it's not really fluffy.
But it was a lot fun. I can still see the sunglasses in here, can you?
It seems easy for cleanup, so I don't mind it.
I want to keep it in the house.
Oh boy.
It can be my pet. Thanks for watching. Bye!